How you doing? I'm Ben Gaffney from Lemon Orchards. I'm here to make our smoked brisket today. We're going to start with the spice mix. It's a combination of smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, dry parsley, and just a dash of cumin. So, far before you ever get to smoking, you want to rub the meat with this spice mix. At Lyman, we rub it and leave it for 24 hours. It's preferably 48 hours. Make sure it's nice and covered with the spice mix. Make sure to rub it in. Pretend like you're rubbing your grandfather's feet. That's the best way to get the spice rub all mixed in. Alright, now our brisket is set in the fridge with the rub on it for 24 hours. We're ready to smoke it. Alright, now our brisket's smoked for 14 hours and is ready to eat. There we go. Go. Let's see what we got. Ah, look at that. That's gonna be nice. Just gotta make sure it tastes okay real quick. Perfect.